Monthly Param Nivedan for 2025 August to be successful with the power and grace of Paranji alias His Holiness. Paprava 128. Paramam Sharanam Gacchami, Hansam Sharanam Gacchami, Advaitam Sharanam Gacchami, Anandam Sharanam Gacchami, Charanam Sharanam Gacchami. हे परम जी, मुझ पर कृपा करो, सिर झुकाकर परम जी को नमस्कार करती हूँ. Paprava 9. Param ji, please empower this Param Nivedan with your divine power so that August becomes beneficial for me and P3Y. Bestow me more success in my business, profession, agriculture, animal husbandry, job, and work this month. I wish to make my country prosperous. Bless me so that my income increases and my expenses decrease. I will use the money in the righteous way and also to spread P3Y. Make me free of all my debts. Even when I become wealthier, progress in business, I am and will remain humble before Paramji and Dr. Ajit and will also spread some time for P3Y. Chartered accountant, etc. remain in my favor. I will attend income enhancement P3Y class on Thursday. May my development in material aspects of life become faster. I achieve all my goals and my hampered work goes through quickly. May all the wishes I ask in Papra and the Papra I make others to do during this month gets fulfilled. Bestow me with the fame and recognition. I wish to become an excellent Pithwai Pacharak and will find the devotees of Paramji. I will offer Good Luck Papra card daily to one new person after taking training. I will report to Dr. Jeet and my P3Y Prachar work on every Wednesday and the last Wednesday of the month. I will tell farmers that with the help of P3Y Shakti, there will be good harvest. Quality and production of milk in cattle would increase. Profit would increase. Give me courage to spread Prithvi in unknown people. Give me strength and valor so that I can protect Prithvi and keep the thieves and scoundrels away from Prithvi class. I am honest, obedient, and brave Prithvi Karta and will strive to make others as well. May my body and mind remain healthy in this month of August, season of monsoon. Increase my immunity power. May I don't have cough, cold, diarrhea, malaria, dengue, viral infections, body pain, or any other advanced health conditions due to monsoon. If I become sick, may I be cured with Papra water. I will attend disease prevention Pithwai class on the last Sunday of the month. Make my mind and intellect present for me and Prithvi. I will do Param Yog daily, 3 times routine Param Yog and 3 or more times special Param Yog. Give me good intellect. May I make quick and correct decisions and get more success. Please help me remove the weaknesses of my mind. May I get divine experience in Param Dhyan, the divine meditation. May I be granted with more power, energy, and enthusiasm. May I accomplish more efficiency in all the work that I do. May I do P3Y public work for the betterment of the society. I will attend P3Y International Club meeting, Paramji Vachan Disclose, and Paramji Dhyan class on Friday. I will tell people there will be a healing power session during Friday's class, in which you will get relief from any sickness. Give intelligence and strength to do logical prachar of P3Y in August. I will attend daily and weekly online P3Y prachar on P3Y THF channel as well as on the other branch channel. P3Y THF has more than 15 YouTube branch channels out there globally. I will offer Good Luck Papra card to the people in trouble across the country and the world which teach Papra, Param Yog, upload their names, mobile number, area, etc. in the Google form of Prithvi Peace. I will become Prithvi Prera Guru. I will keep telling the 3 Mahasutras, the great slogans of Prithvi. First, the truth. Prithvi Shakti fulfills desire. There is no place in the world where Prithvi doesn't work. Second, eligibility, honesty, obedience, and bravery. Keep smiling and make others smile. Keep attending P3Y class. Keep coming to Umaga. Third, Jai Ghosh. Bina prachar, nahi uddar. Without propagation, no salvation. May my family members be more blissful, peaceful, and caring towards each other. May I do not get angry unnecessarily. May my children flourish and progress. May they get good guidance and good company. Increase their memory for studies. Give me good intellect so that I impact good values, teach the truth, and give 16 Prithvi Sanskar to my children. I will make the children recite clever student Param Nivedan and will encourage them to take Param Vidya Mantra Diksha. To increase prosperity in our family, I will take Param Lakshmi Mantra Diksha. I will read P3Y Garbh Gita. Bring peace upon my ancestors. Remove all Pitrudosh, Vasudosh, and other related problems. Protect me and my family from hurdles such as all kind of negative energies, adverse planetary effects, harmful accomplishment, financial crisis, accident, fire, earthquake, storm, flood, and other natural calamities, negative thoughts, etc. May I do not face any critical situation. If I face any, may I be able to overcome with Prithvi power. More Prithvi power seeker, hardcore Prithvi Karta will continue to do this holy pilgrimage of Umagam according to the Adesh of Paramji. With the holy pilgrimage of Umagam, Pitradosh is removed. Ancestors will get peace. Paramji has empowered Umagam as holy pilgrimage, PDMA place, Kumbh place. By doing this yatra, one gets amazing peace of mind, fulfillments of desires, and gets the benefits of Prithvi Kumbh Shakti. If you do the Umagam PDMA pilgrimage after doing other pilgrimage, that pilgrimage will be more successful. Paramji Bhakti Mas annual Umagam PDMA pilgrimage Pitri Shanti Prithvi Yagna class Umagam PDMA Center Establishment Day Student Prithvi class 2025 August 3 Sunday 9 a.m. After class, there will be a healing power session. Invite one patient to attend this session and he will get relief from pain. I will do online RSVP, Google pithuvaithf.com from coming to Umagam PDME Pithuva Center and will inform on mobile number +91 8849 969 887. Online RSVP helpline number is +91 7990 449 894. According to my convenience, I will stay in Umagam for 2 to 12 days in Paramji Bhakti Mas and will acquire more Pithuva power. Paramji Bhakti Mas is from July 16th to August 16th. I will lovingly celebrate all the Pithuva festivals classes mentioned in the Pithuva calendar. Raksha Bandhan, August 9th. Google Meet Bhakti Mas Pithuva Yagna class, August 15th, 10 a.m. Paramji Bhakti Mas Samarpan and Janmashtami, August 16th. Pithuva Main Center, Gokulnagar, Surat Establishment Day, August 18th. Masik Shivratri, August 21st. Amavas Rukavan Nivaran class, August 22nd. Special Ichha Purti Parva, Pithuva class, August 27th to September 6th. I offer my destiny of August in the holy feet of Paramji alias His Holiness. Paramji, please make my destiny better. For this, I will share this monthly Param Nivedan in one or more people. In this month, I will do good work and will serve Pithuva Kartas and have respect for them and will have pleasant behavior towards all. I will keep the Pithuva sandals clean. I will obey the Adeshis of the Paramji alias His Holiness. Make me more happy, prosperous, peaceful, healthy, disease-free, blissful, powerful, humble, and brave than I am at present. May I have a better month in August with Pithuva power. If any serious problem occurs, I will contact Dr. Ajit on mobile +91 989 877 2036 and will follow the Adesh of Dr. Ajit. I will join Dr. Ajit's WhatsApp group, Dr. Ajit and your question to ask question from Dr. Ajit. Paprava 10. As soon as my desire is fulfilled, as Paka, I will give money in whichever currency you earn, decide the amount on your own to Paramji alias His Holiness or offer 1 liter water or 1 flower to Paramji alias His Holiness. Paprava 11. As soon as my desire is fulfilled, as Pakar, I will offer Pithuva Good Luck Papra card to one new person. I will attend one online Pithuva class. I will visit Pithuva DHF website, pithuvaithf.com. I will share my miraculous Pithuva experience through WhatsApp in 1 or 2 minutes. I will order the 3rd year, 1st edition, 16 Pithuva Sanskar, Hindi of Pithuva Param Gyan magazine at my home. I will take the annual membership of this magazine. I offer this monthly Param Nivedan and its fruits to Paramji alias His Holiness.